I'm Bridget A. from Drunk Dog Creative, and I've just had a package from Stampin' Up! Delivered, and I couldn't wait, so I'm going to unbox it live before I go to work this morning. So forgive the voice for being a little rusty. It's early here in Australia. So this is my box that arrived. It's got some of the goodies from the brand new catalog in it, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started. I'm going to just slice it open. Okay. Sorry for the wiggling camera. Opening the box is doing that. All right. So first out of the box is a paper pack, and this one is called Need for Tweed. It's 12-inch by 12-inch paper. I'm going to open it so you can get a look at it. I just thought the designs on this could give me some really unique cards, especially masculine ones, which are always a little bit harder to source products to do. So here we go. There's a whole bunch of double-sided tweed type papers. Let's see if I can show the other side. So there's a whole bunch of double-sided images of all different types of tweeds. And I guess because I'm also a fiber artist, that really appeals to me. So that is the Need for Tweed 12 by 12-inch designer series paper. The colors it coordinates with are basic beige, basic black, cherry cobbler, early espresso, old olive, and pecan pie. So it's Need for Tweed. That's new. I got some early espresso cardstock. And then I finally got the journaling pens. And these are black, safe for scrapbooking, safe for card writing and journaling. They're a 0.4 nib. So you can, let me hold this. Can you see that? It's like a fiber tip nib. And there's a pack of 3. So they're the journaling pens, which I've been wanting for a while. We have the suite sale on for June, where if you buy one suite or product from a suite, you get 50% off a second product that's also from a suite or the whole suite. The 50% off is obviously the lower of the 2 items, so you don't have to buy a whole suite. But I did buy a couple of items from a suite instead of the whole one, and one were these little stars. I don't know if the camera captures it, but they're very sparkly. They are called Shimmer Star Foam Stickers, and that's for Halloween, obviously. And I bought some ribbon to go with it that's an iridescent ribbon. I think this is, Petunia Pop, which is one of the in colors that still has another year to go. So obviously I'm going to have a bit of a purple theme to my Halloween cards. This is a stamp set for Halloween called Fright Night. So they are the red stamps, not the see-through ones. And they create these like tags to go on cards in Halloween themes. We do have Halloween in Australia now. When I moved here, which was a very long time ago, it wasn't really a thing. It's becoming more of a thing, but mainly that's for cards for my friends and family in the United States. And there's a die set that goes with it. Let me see if I can get this open. So if you get them in a bundle, it's cheaper than buying them separately, but I think that might also be part of a suite, or it's another die and stamp set that's part of a suite for Halloween. So let me get these dies out. These are the Fright Night dies. They coordinate with those tags, but they also allow you to cut out a few extra pieces to embellish your cards. So that's Fright Night. These are the crafter tips. If you have the Take My Pick, and if you've seen any of my videos, you know it's one of my favorite tools. I adore it. Well, I finally got the crafter tips for it, which are a set of 3 other tips, well, 4 really, that interchange with the tool. So you've got, let's see, a pick for getting things out of your dies or lifting things. You've got a hook. These are really good for weeding vinyl or for picking up tricky things. It's got a knife tip. So a crafter knife tip, which we will carefully put back in its protective covering. And this is what I think is really cool. It's got this little wheel to make perforated lines on your card. So if you want people to be able to tear something away or lift something up, those crafter tips all fit on the take your pick tool. I got these for Thanksgiving cards, the autumn leaves. This is a discontinued item, so it's only while stocks last, and it's really inexpensive at the moment. I wanted to get it last Thanksgiving and didn't, so I'm using it this Thanksgiving. Again, not an Australian holiday, but definitely one I celebrate still, and when I make cards for family and friends in the US. But I think that idea of thankfulness is beautiful. These are the dies that go with it, and also extra dies to do other things. So you can either stamp the image in several layers and die cut it, or use the dies to create layers. Very cool. So they're in the last chance category. If you like that idea, grab them really quick, because when they're gone, they're gone. This is also a brand new folder that's come out. This is an embossing folder, 3D embossing folder that does these beautiful sunflowers. Now, I'm a big sunflower fan. I love them. What I also love is how big this is. So if you're doing big cards, you can emboss bigger pieces with this, but you can also still obviously emboss the smaller pieces too. That's a beautiful embossing folder. All right, now, you know my craft hobby is called Drunk Dog Creative because of my dachshunds. So when I saw this stamp set come out, and this is some of these are online exclusives that will be available in July, in just a few weeks. This is one of them. How could I resist this? Long time no see. It's a dachshund. It's a llama. This is just so adorable. And you can extend the neck or the body with that piece. It's like a scarf. Do you see how that all works together? This will be great for Christmas, but it'll be great for anything. And my daughter in America with my grandchildren likes llamas, so that's going to get a lot of use for her, and that's going to get a lot of use for me. That's going to be available in July. I also picked up some linen thread, which is like fine linen thread for embellishing cards. And I got the 1 7/8 circle punch. I've got the 3 other sizes. Whenever punches like this come out, I just get them. The punches from Stampin' Up are amazing, and there's so much you can do with them. If you jump online and go to Pinterest or Google or YouTube, there's all sorts of information out there about different ways to use the punches rather than just straight punching, but shape punches are worth gold. And I think that's it for this unboxing. So some of these items are available now as part of the annual catalog. Some of them will be available in July for the online exclusives. Go to drunkdogcreative.com or bridgeta.stampinup.net for more information and to buy some of these little goodies. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching the video. Happy crafting.